If you want to add Epic games to your Steam library, this tutorial is going to make that process quick and easy. This is a great trick if you like keeping all of your games in one place using Steam's overlay, or just want a cleaner library setup for your PC games. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple gaming tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Steam desktop application and log into your account. Make sure Steam is fully loaded before you continue, because the option we need is inside the main Steam window. Once you're in, look to the top left corner and click on the Games menu. If you don't see that right away, you can also use the Add a Game option in the bottom left corner of Steam. Either way, we're looking for the same feature, which is Add a non-Steam game to my library. Go ahead and click that option, and Steam will open a new window showing a list of programs currently installed on your computer. This is where Steam tries to detect applications automatically. If your Epic game or the Epic Games launcher appears in the list, you can simply check the box next to it. That is the fastest way to add it. If the game you want is not listed, don't worry. That just means Steam didn't detect it automatically. In that case, click Browse. This lets you manually find the game's executable file on your computer. You'll usually need to locate the .exe file for the game or launcher you want to add. A common folder path might look something like C:\program files /epic games /game name, but the exact location can be different depending on where you installed it. Once you find the correct executable file, select it and confirm your choice. After that, return to the Steam window and click Add Selected Programs. Steam will then add the Epic game or launcher to your library as a non-Steam game. After it's added, you'll see it in your Steam library, just like any other title. From there, you can right-click it, rename it, change the artwork, or organize it the way you want. This is especially useful if you want all your games in one place without constantly switching between launchers. And that's it. You've now added an Epic Games title to your Steam library in just a few steps. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful gaming guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.